At the just concluded SEMA 2022 convention, electric cars proved to be so prolific that they had over 20,000 square foot area dedicated to them. The Specialty Equipment Market Association conference was filled with a lot of interesting EV concepts. These include the electromods, the vintage trucks, and EV conversion kits that are set to storm the world in the near future. So which automakers brought in the best EVs? What new qualities should we look out for? Let's find out. The event at this year's show made it more obvious that EVs have come to stay, and there are boundless opportunities in the space. Several veteran and startup automakers were on ground to showcase their latest EV innovations in the reserved SEMA electrified area. Out of the more than 35 vehicles and close to 60 different exhibitions at SEMA, we will be bringing you the best of the best. We will be starting with the renowned automaker Ford. Ford showed up ready for business with 3 EVs out of the 10 vehicles that they brought to SEMA. These EVs were built on the Mustang Mach-E and F-15 Lightning. The Mustang Mach-E was built by Tucci Hot Rods and K Automotive Graphics. The Mach-E was designed with a concept similar to the dual-motor 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. This has a muscular custom liftgate spoiler, fender arches with 3D printed fender flares, vacuum-formed transparent wheel covers, and a 3D printed front lip. Then we have the Ford F-15 Lightning race support built by Real Truck and Motor City Solutions. Its notable features include an air compressor, leveling kit, off-road recovery boards, and Recaro seats, along with a fully mobile toolbox and welding equipment. According to Ford, this electric vehicle doubles up as a support vehicle for Baja Race and can be used at home on the road. The F-15 Swiss Army knife was built by Chin Edition and Thule, has multiple features of the F-15 which makes it qualified to be known as a jack of all trades. Some of its features include solar charging capability, a portable air compressor, refrigerator, console vault, Recaro front and rear seats, and Thule cargo accessories. Now, just in case you prefer 2 wheels to 4 wheels, there are 2 Super 75 e-bikes mounted on the back of the truck for your delight. Volkswagen. Volkswagen took home the award for the first ever electric vehicle of the year with its ID.4 crossover. The ID.4 was chosen because of its potential for customization, its ability to handle multiple terrain, and as a good standard that fully depicts the possibilities in the electric vehicle market. Volkswagen came to SEMA with 2 ID.4 based concepts. The automaker calls one of the concepts a mobile drone response vehicle with a big roof rack designed to carry and launch large drones. The drone response vehicle will be put to use by the Tennessee Valley Authority, which has the goal of operating a 100% electric fleet by the year 2030. The modified ID.4 is even more captivating, featuring a custom storage unit for drone and field equipment, including a portable power station. The ID.4 accessories concept comes equipped with a Thule Canyon basket to haul gear. It also includes an Apex XT 9025 XT hitch-mounted bike rack. Splash guards protect the 18-inch wheels with H&R Track Plus wheel spacers. These are covered by 245 60R18 all-terrain tyres. Nissan. The Japanese automaker was not left out either, as they brought 2 unique designs to SEMA, a 1987 Sunny Resto mod running a Leaf engine, and an oddly looking Aria Surf Wagon Woody with teal hubcaps and 2 surfboards on the roof. The California-style wagon was created by South Carolina-based Tommy Pike Customs. With a custom vinyl wrap and chrome trim, the Surf Wagon features smoothie 20-inch wheels with white wall tyres, a custom roof rack, and custom lowered suspension. The Sunny truck is simply outstanding. The 1987 era truck has been converted to run on a Leaf battery, also by Tommy Pike Customs. Rated at 147 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque, the Leaf motor has around twice the power and more than 3 times the torque of the gasoline 4-cylinder engine originally equipped in the Sunny. Stellantis. Stellantis was on ground at the 2022 SEMA convention with its very first all-electric muscle car, the new Dodge Charger Daytona SRT concept vehicle. The exterior of this Dodge Charger is covered in tri-coat striker red paint. This includes a total of 9 unique paint hues and 9 different wheel combinations planned for its display in conjunction with upgradable power levels. Carbon fiber wheels and drag radial tyres complete the performance look. Dodge also announced a tiered power system. This includes 9 possible powertrain output levels for the all-electric Dodge Charger muscle car concept. This includes a 400-volt system with a base level of 455 horsepower, which can be upgraded to 495, 535, 590, 630, and 670 horsepower. Dodge also teased an 800-volt SRT Banshee powertrain package capable of producing more. Additionally, Dodge is planning on garnering attendee impressions for the tuning of the Fratzonic chambered exhaust. This is built as the world's first BEV exhaust system and is set to add in one of the most commonly cited missing ingredients of a performance EV vehicle. All told, the new Dodge Charger is an interesting take on performance-orientated EVs. Stellantis appears to know what it takes to make an EV desirable for the performance crowd. As such, this Dodge Charger Daytona SRT concept could present a rival for a potential Chevy Camaro EV. Mopar, Stellantis' auto parts division, brought along a bunch of concepts, including the Jeep CJ Surge, an open-body, battery-powered vehicle that is meant to showcase the possibilities of EV conversion kits for vintage Jeeps. The Electromod is meant to give automakers' engineers a better understanding of EV parts kit applications, which could lead to a future product lineup for enthusiasts to convert their vintage vehicles to EVs. The Jeep CJ Surge is powered by a custom propulsion system. Under the hood, you'll find a scalable 400-volt, 200kW motor mounted to the frame. Battery modules, of which there are 24, are enclosed in a custom shell mounted in the rear of the passenger cabin. The Jeep's body is perched on 35-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres, paired with a 2-inch lift kit. Jeep also fits a custom roll cage and bikini top, while the center console comes from a JK Wrangler, built between 2007 and 2017, and features a rotary shift knob in place of the stock lever. Tesla. An abundance of modified Tesla Model 3s were also present. The one that stood out the most was the Cyber 3. This was built by TSK and it features a Roadster-esque front bumper, carbon side skirts and detailing, and a rear spoiler. The entire kit costs $19,278. Inspire EV also showed off one of its conversion kits. This was on a 1965 Ford Mustang and powered by an 83.2 kilowatt battery pack. The 65 Mustang has a range of 250 miles and can produce between 470 and 603 horsepower. Electric GT showed off its $65,950 Porsche 911 912 conversion kit. This kit comes with a 47 kWh battery, capable of around 150 miles per charge. Meanwhile, AEM's EV Tesla-swapped EL1 Drift Camaro was also present. Another area with a lot of interest was electric race cars. Scalar Performance displayed as GR86 conversion, the SCR1. This featured a 65 kilowatt battery pack, and the SC1 produces 328 horsepower and can race for up to 45 minutes before needing to recharge. So, the electrified section of the SEMA 2022 conference makes it even more evident that the sky is the limit for EVs. The growth of electric cars from 2019 to date has been visible, and there is still much more room for improvement. So which of these EVs do you love the most? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell to get more updates like this one. And finally, thank you very much for watching.